this summer, we are launching a special watercolor series for beginners, focusing on painting seashells. Over the next few weeks, I will be diving deeply into the beauty of the ocean, capturing the details and stunning colors of various seashells. In the first video, I will start with a simple but elegant scallop shell. I will walk you through the entire process, from sketching the basic shape to layering colors and adding those finishing touches that you bring your painting to life. Next, I will do a quick sketch of the scallop shell. As you watch, you will see how the basic outline and details come together to capture its essence. Here is a final sketch, simple yet effective. Now let's prepare our palette. Mix cerulean blue and turquoise blue for a beautiful sea tone. In another area, mix cadmium orange for the sandy background. Start by wetting the area around the shell. Apply the mixed blues for a soft, watery effect. Then use the mixed cadmium orange for the sand area, letting the colors blend naturally. While the paper is still wet, mix Quinacridone lilac with orange. Apply this mixture to the shadow areas of the shell on the sand, creating depth and dimension. Allow the first layer to dry completely. Patience is the key here, as a dry base ensures crisp details later on. Once it's dry, wet the shell area. Mix Madder Lake Red Light with a bit of Quinacridone lilac to draw the vertical pattern on the shell, capturing its natural texture. While the area is still wet, apply thicker color to strengthen the first layer. Remember to save some space for highlights, which add a realistic touch to your shell. Finally, add details to the borders and emphasize the shadow areas. This step brings out the form and makes your scallop shell pop off the page. And there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me in this first video of our Watercolor Seashells series. I hope you enjoyed painting along and learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts with me so you won't miss any of the upcoming videos in this series. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Next up, we will be painting another beautiful seashell, a delicate conch seashell. Click on the link or stay tuned to continue our Watercolor Seashell series. See you in the next video and happy painting!